more and more drones rising into the sky. But birds, overhead line, tower, they're all threatened. Crashes are inevitable. What can we do? Manti. It is a brand new product. Can be applied to Spark, Mavic Air. Manti Large can be installed on Mavic Pro and Mavic 2. Manti is very easy to use. Just insert the buckle and switch on. Then enjoy your safe flight. Safe enough? Of course! 0.2-second parachute respond. Front parachuting, attitude adjustment. Reduce the risk of rope winding extremely. Heavy? No. Manti weighs just 25 grams. Manti Large weighs less than 35 grams. Through 5 versions, 26 structure innovations. For better performance, let the drone have no burden. Smart? Of course! Manti's R&D has collected and analyzed 1,732 sets of flight data, integrated the most intelligent algorithm, 6,000 calculations, 300 flight altitude acquisitions, 50 state judgments within 1 second. Just make a smarter guardian for flying. Does it need any charging? Yes. 40 minutes to full charge. For 2 months daily use, solar battery on top for power replenishment, auto sleep or awake corresponding to motion modes, auto off under prolonged unused condition. Smaller, smarter. This is Manti. Provide you the most professional guard.